One of the key mistakes that I've noticed that people make when they're on social media is they focus too much on the platform. Like out of all of the word of mouth that's happening in the world, only 7% of it is actually happening online. If you're like focusing too much on like how to use LinkedIn and like how to use Facebook and like how to tweak the technology, but you forget about like the emotional drivers behind human behavior, that's a massive mistake. Because at the end of the day, like people are the ones that you need to communicate with. We have to start to recognize that people are like at different stages in the customer journey. And so like people who are like in the awareness stage of the customer journey are going to be different to the people that are all the way down at the like purchasing stage of the customer journey. So like if you keep talking about like your brand and the solutions and like, you know, why you're so good at what you do, what you're actually doing is you're assuming a need. We don't want to assume a need when it comes to digital marketing. Put it this way, like I think that you can only tell people two things: what they already know that they want to know, or what they already know. Like you can't actually go and tell somebody like something that they haven't asked to know about, because you're assuming a need if you do that. And so like when you message somebody, if I'm contacting somebody on LinkedIn, and we do this a lot to generate leads for our clients, we never assume a need and say, hey, guess what, we can get you more leads for your business and you should talk to us because we can help grow your business. That would be a really silly thing to do because we don't actually know if they want to grow their business. So what we say is, hey, I've had a look at your LinkedIn profile, very similar to the clients we like to work with, and we'd actually like to learn more about your business to see if it's a good fit for us to help you or not. We actually don't want to do business with everyone. We want to ask questions to find out more information about them to see if they're the kind of client that we're looking for, because we don't want to do business with anyone that we're not going to add value to. So we have to find out first if they're that kind of person or not before we engage with them.